Hello friends, I am really thankful to you for such a wonderful response to my last video regarding that breathing circuit. Today we will discuss various options of input supply of oxygenation to this breathing circuit. In last video I forgot to give more stress on the source of oxygen or air supply to the breathing circuit. You can use oxygen concentrator machine or oxygen cylinder from Boyle's machine or air pump. Mainly we use oxygen concentrator machine. Oxygen concentrator is a device that supplies oxygen rich air by filtering out the nitrogen from ambient air. Oxygen concentrator definitely gives unlimited oxygen supply. But it is little expensive and it really needs electrical supply. Well, it is always good to have a battery option. If you don't have oxygen concentrator machine or even if you have an oxygen concentrator, you must have a backup of another source of air or oxygen if there is electrical failure and your O2 concentrator machine stops working. In such case, you can use air pump of nebulizer machine and oxygen cylinder from Boyle's apparatus. Use T connector or Y tube to connect both to the inlet of breathing circuit. The air pump will give ambient air and oxygen cylinder will supply oxygen. Dual supply of this will be adequate to the patient. Hello friends, I am very thankful to you for such a wonderful response for my last video of the breathing circuit. However, this breathing circuit we have again modified a little bit to improve its efficiency. We have added air reservoir for the inlet of air. It will definitely reduce the air hunger for a patient. We have used the one-way airway valve to prevent the reverse flow of the air at the inlet of the oxygen and also at the drainage tube side. And coming to the sources for air that we are using for circuit, in last video I have shown you the air inlet from the oxygen concentrator machine. For those, if something happens to that oxygen concentrator, if there is any malfunction to that, then you must have an alternative source for the air or concentrator air. So we have used the combination of the small air pump of the nebulizer machine along with oxygen cylinder. So combining this, it will definitely fulfill the requirement of the oxygen. So let's take a demonstration of this modified circuit. So I am starting this oxygen cylinder and air pump machine. You can see the air reservoir bag is inflated. So this can be useful for those who don't have a air concentrator machine along with them. This can act as an alternative source. Suppose if there any malfunction with the air concentrator machine during the time of surgery, so you must have another option of air delivery to this circuit. Thank you. Every time use sterilized mask. Use disposable surgical mask for every patient. Even the oxygen mask of breathing circuit can be sterilized by applying steam. After steam application, you make them dry by placing them in sunlight for few hours. Also do proper hand sanitization with rubbing alcohol before you tie the mask to the patient face. Oxygen mask should be firmly placed. It should not be too loose or too tight. Loose mask will cause leakage of exhaled air or too tight mask will cause difficulty in breathing. Also make sure that the sticking place is properly tight. Till now we did 9 phacoemulsification cases using this breathing circuit. We did not observe conditions like difficulty in breathing or hypercapnia or shortness of breath or reduction of oxygen saturation in all these cases. We often ask them whether they are comfortable or not during the time of surgery. Majority of patients were free from respiratory illnesses except one patient who was having asthma, and all these procedures were of short duration between 15 to 20 minutes. During the procedure, when we observe suction bottles, you will see lots of condensation inside it, indicating that the patient exhale air is getting collected inside the bottle. श्वास घ्यायला त्रास होतोय का तुम्हाला? नाही ना?
मध्ये काही त्रास नाही झाला ना ऑपरेशनच्या दरम्यान? माझी हवा आ रही ना,
कोई तकलीफ है ना माझी?
और सवारी उसके साथ लेते रहने का।
माझी कोई तकलीफ है क्या आपको? Observing the suction bottle over the time, you can see lot of condensation in it. This means the patient exhale air is really getting collected inside the bottle.
Mechanical failure. Oxygen concentrator was not working properly. So we are giving oxygenation with the nebulizer air pump, and it is supported with the oxygenation from Boyne's apparatus, oxygenation. And patient is breathing nicely, vitals are stable, saturation is maintaining 99 to 100%. There is no tachycardia, CO2 retention is not there. All vitals are well maintained. We have done case successfully. And okay. You can see the monitor also. You can see the breathing of patient. Respiratory rate is well maintained. Depth is okay.
Case we operated was an asthmatic patient. She was on anti-asthmatic treatment like Rota inhaler. However, unfortunately, during her operation time, the oxygen concentrator machine stopped working. So we had to use the combination of nebulizer air pump along with the oxygen cylinder. Everything went well. She did not have any problem of difficulty in breathing or reduction of oxygen saturation. We could able to complete our surgery with the help of this air pump of nebulizer along with oxygen cylinder of Boyle machine.
आपके बाद कितने साल से आपको 25 साल
Hello friends, yesterday we had encountered the problem of oxygen concentrator because of some problem it didn't work. So we used the combination of air pump nebulizer machine along with Boyle's oxygen cylinder. Here is Dr. Nikki, he is our anesthetist. We will just take the comment regarding yesterday's incidents. So Nikki, how was yesterday's experience? What do you say?
Yeah, it was totally new experience for me. I was initially shocked because of failure of oxygen concentrator due to some mechanical problem. So immediately I switched over the oxygenation with the help of oxygen from Boyle's apparatus, and also our Dr. Suhas sir advised me to use the air from nebulizer air pump. I think it was totally new, innovative concept, but he has insisted me, and I have supported the oxygenation from Boyle's apparatus with the air from nebulizer air pump. So we have observed this for two cases. Patient was breathing nicely, comfortable, vitals as we have seen in the monitors are well maintained. Saturation was also 80, 98, 99. It was in all, we have seen the well-maintained situation in the OT. So, in the absence of oxygen concentrator, we can use this concept. It's totally new. We have just used for two cases, but with this, my experience, patient is very comfortable.
And friends, even if you have an oxygen concentrator, you must have a backup thing like this. So in case you have a problem, because of most of the time the oxygen concentrator works on electrical power, and if there is any electrical failure, if you want to start use generator, even the changeover time, for that time you need to have a oxygen supply. So you must have this backup thing for even if you have oxygen concentrator.
Definitely, it really helps.
Another thing I wanted to ask you, Vicky, you are observing almost we did 9 cases, right?
Yeah.
So in 9 cases, do you observe there is any major leak of exhaled air from the patient mask during the time of surgery?
No. Not a single time I have seen. All air, expiratory air goes into the suction bottle.
You can notice, you notice that it is getting collected.
I observed, I noticed because I was eager to see this whole assembly. So I am observing this for every case. That expiratory air is going, patient is breathing nicely, vitals are maintaining, saturation is okay. And in addition to the expiratory air, we are supplementing patient oxygen. So it is really beneficial for the patient when patient is supine with this mask.
So you mean that majority of air is really getting collected in the suction bottle?
Definitely.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
Thank you.